Samsung is around a month away from launching the Galaxy S21 series, and today we have some beautiful looking and very close to the real life looking renders by Let's Go Digital. Soon after that, thanks to YouTuber Sakitech, we get to see first live images of the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the S21 Plus. So there was no S21 in the photo, but this is just going to be a compact version, a smaller, a little lighter version of the S21 Plus. So it's not going to be too much difference. In terms of what the photo actually shows off, the revised camera bumps are undoubtedly the most important features. The presence of the 3 cameras on the S21 Plus and the 5 sensors on the S21 Ultra is almost guaranteed. And we know the specs of the cameras. Or the Galaxy S21 Ultra will get an upgraded 108 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 10 megapixel 10x periscope camera, and another 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera. But the 5th sensor is still mystery, but what I can say is it's going to be a laser autofocus system or a 3D time of flight sensor. As for the S21 Plus, it seems Samsung may have cut some corners. The Samsung has fitted this flagship with same cameras used on the S20 earlier this year. But the good news is that you're gonna see some kind of improvements in the software department. Usual thing, like every year it happens, like a better night mode, maybe here and then gimmick features or something like that. The one thing that I didn't like in the design of the S21 and S21 Plus is the placement of the LED flash. It is outside the module. I kind of don't like it. I like the S21 Ultra's one, like it's inside the module. It looks more clear and more good looking. I mean, it's more handsome looking anyway. Now moving over to the front of the Galaxy S21 series reveals an elegant design built upon the look of the S20 and the Note 20. Samsung has chosen to retain the centered punch hole and slim bezels, only this time around the bezels seem to be completely uniform. Now Apple is doing the symmetrical bezel thing for a little long, and Google also joined it this year. But Samsung gonna take this to next level, which is probably the most interesting part. Like Samsung is going very close to getting the full screen edge-to-edge panel, which is really crazy, like real crazy. I mean, we have seen these kind of things with Mate 40 Pro or something like the Mate 30 Pro, but those were not perfect executions. This is one of the most practical and daily usable one gonna be, and that is the most exciting part of it. As for the number, the Galaxy S21 Ultra will get a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus, yep, curved screen. Yeah, I mean slightly curved, it's not going to be drastically curved, but yeah. The S21 and S21 Plus will get a 6.2-inch and 6.7-inch respectively screen with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The S21 Ultra will get 144Hz with adaptive refresh rate. That's because it is coming with LTP display technology where these two are not getting it. But at least they're providing you 120Hz. That's great. Now the S21 and S21 Plus will also get flat panel, so they're not going to be curved one. So if you like flat panels, the S21 Plus will be a better buy any given day. And if you like smartphones, S21. Yeah. So if you look at the Samsung history, this is the first time we are seeing the S series flagships leaked this way at this early time. And this is because Samsung is launching these phones very early, like 1.5 months earlier than usual. So when is the release date and the launch date? The launch date is January 14th, special event. Yep. And 2019 January is the day when you're gonna see them on our hands, like literally. Now Samsung has planned a range of colors for the S21 series, but the S21 Ultra will only get 2 colors, the Phantom Black and Phantom Silver. Why not a Phantom Rose Gold? Or why not something like that? Cool. No. Well, Samsung S21 Plus will get these 2 colors, but a Phantom Violet color as an extra. And the S21 will arrive in Phantom Grey, Phantom White, Phantom Violet, and Phantom Pink. Now, thanks to Sakitech for these photos. Now, if you look at the photos, these have a matte coating on top of the material, and we don't know what the material is. Now, we have heard the S21 will get a plastic bag. The S21 Plus was not rumored to have a glass one. So, what I'm expecting, it will also feature a plastic bag like the S21. But the S21 Ultra will give you a glass bag. but the matte coating on top will make them feel like a little bit similar in terms of hand feel. But when you have them on your hand, the heft that you feel with the S21 Ultra will be way better than the S21 any day. So if you want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.